Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb. I'm sitting inside of the GMC Hummer EV Pickup Omega Edition. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to exactly use your crab walk. I have already created a video on how to engage it. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use it. So let me flip you around.
So just like I've done in the previous video, which I'll put in the link in this video in the description, but you press and hold this button on the left of this kind of D-pad down here. On the screen, it'll make an ominous sound, as it is now, and give you this little animation. And you got the truck there. Now that's about, give or take, 5-10 seconds. Let me make sure it's fully activated, which you'll see the crab on the screen here. And you got the full animation there. And then you let go. You still have your crab on. Now, the full demonstration is to rotate the Hummer symbol upside down 180 degrees. Now, I'm just letting it go, so it's going to do that. But I'm going to go forward and go ahead and move down that way. But to show you kind of what it looks like, we're going to keep it on. Actually, to show you exactly what it looks like, there it is, mostly 180 degrees. So you've got the front wheels turning to the left, which look cool. And then you've got the right turning to the left, which is even more cool. Now that's also in turn with the quad steer, which is automatically on. But let's go ahead and hop in. I'm going to show it to you. Now, a couple cool things with crab walk. It is a cool party trick, but it has some practical use to it. Now, all I'm doing, and of course I'm kind of on a corner here, is I've moved from one side of the road to the other. Now, let me go ahead and back up here. Now, once again, crab walk. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to go straight. And to turn it off, you just press it once, and it turns the crab off down here. Turns your rear wheel steer back on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hop over here. There we go. And we're going to park right behind that box truck there. So press and hold it. Wait for it to engage. And you do want to make sure the steering wheel is straight. And that's to disengage it as well, because if not, it won't fully disengage. So now, upside down. And if you do it any more than this, your front end is going to sway to the other side. So now, we're moving over. Now, you do want to make sure you have space, room, things like that. Let's go ahead and back up again. I'm going to go the other way. There we go. So I'm just continuously moving over to the spot so I can show you there on the screen. And now I'm right where I want to be. Now, if I want to move out of my spot, you've backed up, you turn your wheel, and then you go ahead and move forward.
Now, it does take some time to get used to understanding how much time you need to take, as there at the end, I didn't give myself enough room. But also, you can continuously turn the steering wheel a little bit over as you're still bringing your rear end around. It's also good for tight spaces like dumpsters. Hopefully you're not getting into that too much, but when you're off-roading, it's great between those tight spaces, rocks, things like that. Just so that when you're bringing your rear end around, you're not smacking something. I put it in another video on a Sierra EV testimonial that I had. Gentleman read it off, or I read it off from what the gentleman wrote down. But it helped him in the hurricane disaster that we had, Hurricane Helene, to move in between some trees without smacking his trailer, things like that. But I do want to say thank y'all again for watching. Hope you're enjoying your crab walk. I'll see y'all on the next one.